How many different
Yes.
numbers can be formed out of all the digits of 111,223? How many of these are greater than 3 lakh?
How many different numbers can be formed out of all the digits of 111,223? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there are three like objects, three ones. Two twos, one, three. So in all there are 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 6 letters. Having what? 3 alike, 2 alike, and 1 different. Okay. So number of ways of arranging, arranging 6 letters having 3 alike, 2 alike, and 1 different will be given by what? Can you tell?
Sir, factorial 6 upon factorial 3 into factorial 2 into factorial 1.
Okay. It has one more part. This factorial 3 will be cancelled out. Factorial 2 equals to 2. 2 3 is 6. 3 5 is 15. 4 is 60 is the correct answer. Okay. So I think you have no doubt in this part. Huh?
Yes, sir.
You have doubt in second part. So read the second.
Yes, sir. So how many of these are greater than 3 lakh?
How many of these are greater than 3 lakh? Okay. So if a number is greater than 3 lakh, so out of 1, 2 or 3, by which digit it will start? Can you tell? If the number is greater than 3 lakh, then it must start with 1 or 2 or 3. Can you tell? As we know that there are 6 digits. So its place value of the 6 digit will be 1 lakh. Na?
Sir, yes, sir.
So by which digit it will start? If the number is greater than 3 lakh,
Sir, 3. Sir, 3.
means huh? It will start with the number is greater than 3 lakh, means what should be the first digit? Huh? First digit must be
Sir,
only,
3.
as we have choice of only 1 or 2 or 3, as 1 1 1 2 2 3 is given. So if number is greater than 3 lakh, means it must start with 3. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Then only it will be greater than 3. So what is your problem? Why are you not answering? If we start the number with 1 and the remaining 5 digits are there, 1 2 3 4 5, so it will be greater than 1 lakh only. This is not 0. The other 5 digits. If we start with 2, the other 5 digits are either 2 or 3, then also it is greater than 2 lakh. But we have to write the numbers which are only greater than 3 lakh. Is that clear to you? Means it must start with 3. So 6 digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And first place has only one choice. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
And the remaining places are 5. And how many digits are left now? 5. Which 5 digits are left after writing the 3? We have only 1 3. We have only 1 3. And it has also been filled in first place. In remaining 5 places, we have choice to fill 1 1 1. It's 3 ones and 2 twos. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to mention it in question. Now we have only 3 ones and 2
Two.
twos to fill in remaining 5 places. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So and there is only one choice in first place. That is, it is spread by 3. So number of ways of arranging three alike and two alike objects in 5 places equals to what?
Sir, factorial 5 upon factorial 3 into factorial 2.
So it is 5 into 4 upon 2, that is 5 2s are 10. And one choice is for first letter. So the total number, there's first place and the remaining 5 places. First place and means principle of multiplication. First place and the remaining 5 places. After the total number of ways, we will write total number of ways of writing numbers greater than 3 lakh formed from 1 1 1 2 2 3 equals to 1 into 10, that is 10. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Read the question again.
How many numbers greater than 1 lakh
How many numbers greater than 1 lakh? Numbers
can be formed?
1 lakh have how many digits?
The 6.
6. Okay. Can be formed
Can be formed by using the digits 242, 302
using
taken all together.
2 4 2
242, 302.
0 2. Okay. So there are 6 digits and all. And taken all together means we have to use each digit together. Means there are no digits other than these digits which are given. And we cannot use a digit twice. We can use this 2 thrice, as there are 3 2s given. We can use 3 only once. We can use 4 only once. We can use 0 only once. And we have to form the numbers which are greater than 1 lakh. So how many digits are there?
The 6
Six
digits.
digits. One. First, draw these 6 boxes. If number is greater than 1 lakh, then can you tell what should be the choice for first place?
The 1.
Huh?
The 1.
Tell. If it starts with 2, the number will be greater than 1 lakh. What is the problem? If it starts with 4, still the number will be greater than 1 lakh. If it starts with 3, still the number will be greater than 1 lakh. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So we can fill the first place either with 2 or 4 or 3. Is that clear to you? So in first statement, we will write for this instruction number of ways of arranging first digit. When all the numbers are greater than 1 lakh, we have 3 choices for first digit. Is that clear to you? Either 2 or 4 or 3. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Remaining places, how many places are remaining unfilled?
So 5.
5. And remaining digits,
So 3.
for remaining digits, we have different cases. Like case first, if the number starts with 2, if the number starts with 2, means first place is filled by 2. If the number starts with what? 2. Okay. Remaining digits are, write the remaining digits. Name the remaining digits.
Sir, uh, sir 4,
2,
4, 2, 3, 0, 2.
0, 2.
2.
What? 2 2's and 4. 1 0 1 3. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So in remaining 5 places, the number of ways of filling or arranging, we can write, they are the same thing. We should start the word arranging. Number of ways of arranging. And these are the arrangements only. Number of ways of arranging 2 alike. 2 2's are alike. And 3 different. 1 is different, 4 is different. Sorry, 4, 0 and 3 are different. So 2 alike and 3 different objects in 5 places will be given by what?
So factorial 5.
Factorial 5 or factorial 2. 5 into 4 into 3, that is 60. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
This is the first case. If the number starts with 2. Now look at this. The number starts with either 3 or 4. Are they not the same types of cases, as there is only 1 3 and there is only 1 4 in this group? We cannot start with 0. This already we have discussed. So either the number starts with 4 or the number starts with 3. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So if the number starts with 2, the total number of ways of writing, if the number starts with 2, then number of numbers, first we will write this, starting with 2 equals to, for first place, one choice is there. It is filled with 2. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And for remaining 5 places, 60 choices are there. and first place and remaining 5 places are filled together. So if the number starts with 2, the total number of ways of writing the numbers will be 60. In case second, we write if the number starts with either 4 or 3, as they are alike objects. Alike objects means there is only one. The number starts with either 4 or 3. Then this first place has 2 choices. Either 4 or 3. So in this case, second we write number of ways of arranging first place equals to 2. Now there are remaining 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the remaining number of digits, as we have 6 digits in all, so there are 5 digits, out of which these 3 2s are repeated. As in first place we are either writing 4, so these 3 2s are repeated, and along with it other 2 digits which are different. If we write 4 as the first digit, then 3 and 0 will be remaining. Is that clear to you? If we start with 3, then 4 and 0 will be remaining. Is that clear to you? So there in the remaining 5 digits, we have 3 2s and 2 different digits. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
In remaining 5 places, 3 2s and 2 different digits. 0 and 3 or 4. 3 or 4 means only 1. Means now we have to find the number of ways of arranging remaining 5 places with 3 alike, 3 2s are alike, 3 alike, and 2 different objects. These objects are the digits. Will be given by what?
The factorial 5 on factorial
5 into 4, that is 20. Now first place has choice of 2. And remaining 5 has choice of 20. So the total number of ways, or the total number of numbers starting with 4 or 3 equals to this 2. This is and this is done together. So 40 choices are there for writing the numbers which are either starting with 4 or 3. Now either it is case first or this is case second, which will be carried out in drawing these numbers. Either or means we will now use principle of addition. So we will add the result of case first and result of case second to get the final answer. So we write the number of numbers greater than 1 lakh formed from digits are 1 1 1 2 2 3. 1 1 1 2 2 3.
Sir, 242302.
First is 16. Result of case 2 is 40. So in all, there are 100 choices. So what's your doubt? Ask now. Yes. Any
सर
doubt?
अब कर लेंगे. No sir.
Huh?
No sir.
Yes, read now.